Hello, my name is Samantha Watson, and I am doing the Interactive Advanced Concepts 1 salt mining. So, what we're doing today is we are going to use this balloon to separate salt and pepper that is mixed here on my plate. Well, right now it's in two different piles, but I'll be mixing it before we do the experiment. I'll be rubbing this on my head to create static electricity or a negative charge to be able to separate the pepper from the salt. So what I have is my balloon that I previously blew up, and then I have a teaspoon of salt and pepper, stop moving, on my plate. And I'm going to mix it up thoroughly. I'm going to spread it out a bit. We have a little more surface area going. Okay, so it's all mixed up on my plate. I'm gonna put it here. And what my hypothesis is going to be is that after I rub this on my head for about a minute or so, that I'll have enough static electricity to be able to pull the pepper away from the salt. Now the pepper and the salt are both neutral, so by creating this electric negative charge with my balloon, I'll be able to pull the pepper flakes away from the salt flakes because they are lighter than the salt. So let's get on with it. Let me do this side. Gonna have some crazy hair after this, that's for sure. Ah. Okay, that should be good. You can check out my crazy hair now. Okay, so now that this is all negatively charged, I'm going to hold it. I'll bring this closer so that we can see together if the peppers, oh, you can hear them. Oh, this is really neat to see. Now they are only bouncing to the area that I rubbed on my head. So like the top of the balloon isn't working because it's not negatively charged, whereas only the bottom half and some of the sides are pulling the pepper flakes. Some very few salt pieces up from the plate. So I think, oh, we got a few more jumping. So I'm just happy that this worked because I thought it would be really neat to see. Now some have also kind of dispersed along the plate, along the edges here. But you can see on my balloon, I do have quite a few pepper flakes on there. And so my hypothesis was correct that the pepper flakes would jump up off the plate onto the balloon. I wasn't really expecting this many salt particles to come up because there's quite a few on here, only in some areas though. They might have just been smaller pieces of salt compared to others, so maybe that's why they got pulled up as well. But the balloon, since it was negatively charged, was able to pull those pepper flakes up since they were one neutrally charged and they attracted each other. And that they were also lighter than the majority of these salt particles down here. So you can see it's a much lighter mixture than it was in the beginning. Oh, there's still some more popping up on there. I do think it's very neat that you're able to see where I did rub the balloon on my head as compared to where I didn't. So there's almost like a nice line going across the balloon there. That is all I have. Oh, there's some more jumping around. Just trying to put that down for now. But yeah, overall, my hypothesis was correct that the pepper flakes would jump up off the plate. And thank you.